Hi, I was kind of sad. Do you have to go outside? Come on. We're gonna go outside. I just got home. Probably have to go outside. But it's raining. It's raining. Are you gonna be okay? I know you. This princess here doesn't like getting her feet wet. Okay, go. You gonna go? Oh, the plants fell over. Oh. Can you go pee? Come on, go step on the grass. Go. Bailey. The bark mulch is dry. There you go. Oh, YouTube violation. Quick, go. You done? You finished? You gotta go number 2. Alright, probably number 2. Yeah, okay. Alright, well, that's good enough. Okay, bye.